What's up, everybody? It is Lavon, Cason here, back at it again with another video. Today I'm going to be, as you can see here, unboxing the Fire 7. Now, I have reviewed the Amazon Fire, HD8, but now it's time for me to review, the Fire 7. So as you can see here, this is the tablet itself. Let's unbox that. Look how small this thing is. Like, this thing is really, really small. As you guys can see here, this thing is really, really small. Alright, so what else comes in the box? Let's see here. The heck is in here? USB cable. AC adapter. Or USB AC adapter. I think it's a micro USB. That's what I think it is, pretty much. What else? A quick start guide. Another thing. What else is in there? What else is inside the box? And yeah, so that's pretty much it. So these, quick start guide things or whatever. USB cable, USB AC adapter, and the tablet itself. As you can see, you guys can see that. I hope you guys can see it. That's everything that comes with the Amazon Fire, pretty much box. Amazon Fire 7 box. Like, that's pretty much everything. So yeah, I'm gonna be, using this thing. Then I'm gonna, do a review. Probably, next week or the week after. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Peace. Hit that notification bell. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. And when you hit the notification bell, you gotta hit all notifications. So that way you can be notified for future Lavon Cason videos and future Lavon Cason live streams. Peace.